Welcome to another edition of Vocabulary Series. Today we will learn how to convert wood into paper. It is fascinating that people never noticed how a tree gets converted into paper. So we will come to know about the process in 10 simple steps. You can see the blanks available to use, so please try to fill the blank with only one word and you will come to know the whole process. Let's start with the first one. Can you fill the first one? Trees are churned by gigantic machines. Churned is another word for cut down. Cellulose fibers are extracted from a variety of sources to get pulp. Pulp is mixed with water. It is chopped, beaten, and blended for machines. Then plant material is boiled with alkalis to give strength to pulp. This process is known as crafts. The mixture is processed through the machines to produce raw paper rolls. Now the bleaches and dyes are added to customize the paper as per the item required as output. Manufacturer converts the raw paper rolls into final product like paper bags, envelopes, newsprints, etc. Paper is packaged as per the requirements of clients. Items are transported to different warehouses or stores for selling purpose. Paper reaches homes or offices as per the final product. Hope you have learned the process of how a wood is converted into paper with these 10 simple steps. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share the video with others too. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, goodbye.